cream?
Yes.
Oh, we have ice cream.
What a man, what a man, what a man. You gonna do it too, Leo? Whoa.
Can I take it home? Can I take that home? No. Why? Scared?
The amount of them the government send back.
Yeah, yeah.
They are illegal, they send over.
Oh, wow. They're in the south.
Okay, go. Water.
Say hi to the vlog from Jamaica.
Hi. I'm Mom from Jamaica.
Alright.
We're gonna go to Nana's house.
We're gonna go to Nana's house. Do you miss Nana?
No.
No.
Ah.
Guys, we're finally at the beach. This is in Portland, Jamaica. I can't remember the exact name of it, but it is beautiful. We just ordered some food, so we're gonna wait for the food, go eat. It took 3 hours to get here though. You guys having fun? Wow. Nice. Oh, he gave it back to you? Is that fun? I know, you're gonna be next, okay, Mama? Hold on tight, Leo. Mila on the swing. Wow, good job, Mila. Having fun, Mommy? Is it gonna break if I go on it?
Yeah, it will. You want to sit with Mommy? Okay. Water on. Water on. Water on.
Take a video now.
You see it?
Let's see it.
Here.
Let's take a video now.
Okay, here, hold it. Is your hands wet? Careful. If your hands are wet, careful, okay? That's it. It's recording, okay? There you go. Swing. Swing. Swing, Mommy. Say swing, Mommy.
Swing, Mommy.
I'm swinging.
Say momentum.
You're spinning. You guys ready?
Yep. Everyone's good? I got some papers.
Say, ready, everybody?
Ready, everybody? You gotta go home and have ice cream. You gotta have ice cream.
Yes.
Oh, we have ice cream.
Alright guys, beach day is a success. We were there for a couple hours. Kids are tired. I am tired. We have like a 3-hour car ride back and we're gonna stop and get some food and like fruit and stuff. So should be fun.
Leo, come here. Leo. Okay, let's go.
Good morning guys. Today's day 4. It is hella hot, but I got my ice cold water and I'm ready to take on the day. I just had a nice little egg sandwich and I haven't had bread in a long time. You're climbing up the tree?
Wow, look at that. Climb on there. Careful, watch your step.
You want to climb up too? Okay, you'll be next. Okay, Mama?
There you go.
Wow. Look at you, buddy.
What's wrong with your eyelashes? Okay, come. Come, wipe your face.
That's what privilege looks like. Daddy wipes his eyelashes out of his eyes.
Come climb up on this limb.
Climb up, Leo. It's just like, you just gotta be careful.
Use your foot. Don't stretch, right?
Mila had some pancakes this morning and now she's finishing it off with some plantain chips, right? Is it yummy?
Yummy.
Oh, there's one of the puppies there. Lulu. Is that Lulu or the other one? They have 2 dogs on the property. One is Lulu. She's a sweet girl. She had a litter of puppies like right before we came and all of them died. And I was really sad because like that would have been so freaking cute to like play with puppies all week. Oh my god. But they all died. They were all sick, which was really, really sad. But there was also a really friendly pit bull like the property over and she was so cute. She also looked like she just had a bunch of puppies and her leg was hurt, and when I went up to the front she like ran right up to me and I felt so bad. I want to take all these puppies home. It's so sad. Come on, Mila. Mila's been picking rocks. Let's go look for the chickens.
Mama.
Massive fan?
Yeah.
Wow.
Wow.
Are those your dad's dogs there?
Yes. Yes.
Danger, danger, danger. Whose dogs are those? Stay away. Daddy's protecting us by throwing rocks at stray dogs that could potentially kill us in one singular bite to the jugular. What a man. What a man, what a man, what a man. You gonna do it too, Leo? Whoa. You got it, buddy. Oh, sister, where the hell? Mila, come here. Mila, there might be spiders. Come here. Meanwhile, Daddy Bear is still throwing rocks. You know, I'm hilarious. He's chasing away the stray dogs. What a man, what a man, what a man. Guys, I can't even explain how hot it is. Like you can probably see my upper lip is dripping sweat. Come on, baby, I'm right here. It is probably like 35 degrees and it's like 8 o'clock in the morning. Like it's so early. Oh my God. But yeah, guys, today we're not going to do too much. Jermaine said he wanted to go to the cemetery to see his grandma that passed away years ago. Mila's actually named after her as well as my grandma. So that'll be nice to see a little bit of history and all that. And then, yeah, I think the rest of the day we're going to chill. I'm hoping to get some jerk pork today. Really, really hoping. If we do, I will definitely show you guys. Yesterday at the beach I had jerk chicken. It was pretty good. But hopefully I can get my hands on jerk pork. The last time we were here 6 years ago, that was like my favorite meal. We had it one time and it was like the best thing I've ever eaten in my entire life. So I'm really hoping that we can get it one time on this trip because it's already day 4. How you feeling, Daddy?
Feeling good, Mommy.
You happy?
I'm good. You got Wi-Fi out here?
Yeah, I think a little bit maybe. I think so.
Jeez. Come on, Milo. Let's go change your diaper.
See you soon.
Alright, go. Good job, Leo. Throw that out. No more?
Here, come sit down. So you chew it, spit it out. You want to see? I'll show you.
No more? Okay. Listen, come back
And
to
spit it out.
Pumped, tuned because we haven't had any rain in a long time.
Why needs pump?
Because the wheels are flat, Leo.
See, look, she's getting the mango from the tree. So we can eat it. Whoa. Careful, careful. Good job. Say thank you.
One for mommy.
Oh, thank you, buddy. One for mommy.
One for you.
Thank you, buddy. Fresh mango. Delish.
There are chickens right there.
Slowly.
It's dark in here.
Here.
Fun chickens here.
Smell the chickens?
Ooh, stinky chickens.
You want to grab a chicken?
One chicken. No, there's
Watch Milo.
a single
Careful, gentle.
You want to grab a chicken?
Yes.
Alright. Go.
Good job, Daddy.
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Calm down. It's okay, it's okay.
Smiley, you want to hold it? You want a pet?
So you hold it. You hold the leg. You hold the belly right here. Alright, remember how you hold it, Leo? Gentle. Nice. Hold it. Hold it like so. Hold the belly. So the belly. Okay, come to foot. You never, look at, see your first time coming in here?
No, but I've never put education.
Really?
Can I take it home? Can I take that home? No. Why? Scared? I already home.
Careful.
Wow! I just caught chickens that were 2 weeks old. Are you impressed?
Yes. Very impressed. It's amazing. He came on a farm and picked the chicken up on our first attempt.